Okay, so we're going to make a dot plot here in 1-2b. And so I'm going to make a graph here. I'm going to start this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that should be enough. And so they gave it to me in order, which is nice. So 1.1, 1.3, 1.3, and so on. 1.6. 2.1, 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, 2.7, 3.0, 4.4, 4.7, 5, 5.6, 6.2, and 7.5. Alright, so in B they want me to, don't forget to label your axes, and this was disk space down here. So then it says to describe the overall pattern. So the shape of the disk space used is with all of these over here that are all together and these over here that are spread apart. I would call this skewed to the right. The range, well, 7.5 minus 1.1 is 6.4, and the center looks to be about 2.2, 2.4, somewhere in that range, a little bit more than 2. And that's me describing the overall pattern. Alright, so in problem number 2, they give me a histogram and they want me to discuss the shape, center, and spread for the distribution. So first of all, you see how it goes like this. So the distribution of electoral votes is is skewed to the right because that's where the tail is. Now, where do I think the center is? Probably somewhere in there. So I would go about 12.5. So long as I put about, I don't have to figure it out for sure. And the spread is about 60, because 60 minus 0 is, and we'll talk about this more when I get back, but it seems that there is one state over here that is an outlier, because it is far more electoral votes than anybody else. Alright, in problem number 3, they want us to once again compare these two distributions for oak species. So let's start out with the shape. Since I'm comparing them, both species, sorry, not both species, both the Atlantic coast, and California species are skewed to the right. Now the spread from California goes all the way from here to here. The spread for Atlantic coast only goes from here to here. So obviously California has a bigger spread. You notice I'm not calculating what the spreads are, I'm just saying which one has the bigger spread. And looking at the center, I would say that the center for the Atlantic coast is somewhere over here, where for California it's somewhere over here. So California also has the bigger center. So go ahead and try quiz A and quiz C and turn those in when you're finished.